Hello friends, welcome to this session. In this video, we are going to discuss what is module, package and library in Python. These are the contents we are covering in this video. First, we will go through the definition of module, package and library. Then we will check structure of each. Then I will give you a demo of creating and accessing of module, package and library. Then we will discuss about advantages, and last I have a couple of questions, quiz questions for you. So let's start guys. So first, what is module? The module is nothing but a Python file, that is .py file. It contains variables, functions, definitions, class definitions or a combination of all. We can create multiple modules without creating a package. An import module statement runs only one. Suppose in .py file you have imported one of the module many times. Is there any disadvantage or impact on your code? No, because when we import module, it runs only once. It loads only once. So there is no disadvantage. Okay. And module contains variables, functions and class definitions. So structure of module, basically when we create any file, Python file, by default it is a module, because we can import any file, Python file to another Python file. So this is a structure of Python file. There are a couple of ways to access it. So by using import statement we can import the modules, by using import statement with rename, by using from and import statement, and by using from and import all. So I will give you a demo. Let me switch my window to my PyCharm. See, now this is the project module demo, and in that I have created module 1, module 2, and this is my main file. So first I will give you a demo of how we can create Python module. So you have to just right click on your project, then new, you have to create a Python file. As we know, Python module is a Python file, so we have to create a Python file. Module.py file is created. I have created one Python file with module name, and now you know what contains in a module. Module contains variable, class definition, function definition. So for demo purpose I have created my module 1. So I have added variable, function definitions, class definitions here. Now I want to import this into main.py file. So this is my main.py file, and we can access. There are a couple of ways to access one module into another. So this is a first way of accessing. So by using import statement, import and our module name, and we can directly access whatever in module 1, we can directly access in main.py file. Now print my module 1.timeout. So when I want to access anything in the module, before that I need to provide my module name, then dot, and access the variable. Okay, but every time I need to use my module 1. Okay, so if I want to access function, then again I want to write my module1 dot add. Right? So every time I need to use module name before the variable function definition or that string we are accessing, right? So if your module name is lengthy, in that case sometimes your module name is lengthy, so you can import. There are another method to import using import statement with rename. Rename means now your module name is Python module 1, but by using as keyword you can rename your module name in a short form. Now import my module 1 as yum1. Now onwards I just use yum1.timeout. Instead of module 1 I use that shortcut name. So here I can access timeout by using that yum1. So m1.timeout. I can call add function as well, yum1.add. So this is the another way. Now from my module I want to import few specific fields. In my module, there are variable, there are function definition and class definition as well, but I want to import very specific or few things. Then I can import like this from my module import timeout. So in this main.py file I can access timeout only. I cannot access add function. If I try to access add, it will give error that is undefined. Reference, there is no reference. Okay, so now if you want to import specific fields, multiple specific fields, then you can import them by using separated by comma. So same way, from module name import timeout, add and comma, lot of list which thing you want to import. So here I have imported timeout and function definition. Okay, function I have imported, and now I can go to access them. And last, if you want to import everything, that means what is in your module, everything you can access in main.py file, then you can use this from my module import star. Star means everything. So from module we can import everything, all fields, all variables, all function definitions, what are in the your module, everything is imported in main.py file. So by using star you can import. Okay, so these are the ways access of modules. Next is what is package. The package is nothing but a collection of modules. Package is nothing but a collection of modules. Now module is a Python file, right? So if I want to make a collection of files without directory, I cannot make collection of files, right? So basically package is a directory. In that directory it contains collection of modules and collection of packages and sub packages. Also it contains init.py file. So init.py file is very important to treat directory as a Python package. We will go through the demo as well. So this is the structure of package. This is the structure of package. This is package name, my package, and package contains init.py file. This file is very important. Then package contains module, couple of modules, then couple of sub packages. Okay, this is the structure, high level structure of package. Then access of package. There are also couple of ways to access package. So by using import statement with rename, then from an import statement. Okay, let me switch my screen. This is another project package demo I have created. Now you have to right click on your project, then new. Now first we will go through how to create Python package and what is the difference between package and directory, and then we will go through the multiple ways of accessing it. So you have to right click on your project, new, and then there is option Python package. So click on it. Give a name package. See, package is created and edit.py file is in package. Okay, now I will create a directory dir with name dir. See, dir is created, package is created. Guys, there is only one difference. When I create a Python package, init.py file is auto generated. It is auto generated. In dir, that file is missing. Now this is a directory and this is a Python package. So difference is that init.py file is, why it is important? Because if init.py file is not present in directory, so it is just directory, and init.py file is present, then it becomes Python package. This is the difference. Now I want to create this directory as a Python package, then I just need to create Python file with name init in the directory. See, now directory is also becomes as a Python package. See, icon is same icon is appeared. Okay, package and directory. Okay, so for example, I have created module 1. Okay, and it contains variable, function definition, class definition. As per the structure, my package structure contains init.py file. It contains couple of modules. Also it contains sub package as well. So we can create here sub package. Okay, so this is a sub package. This is the main package. This is a sub package. Okay, in sub package there are also couple of modules. Okay, this is my main file, and here I want to access the variable, function definitions, what things in my module 1 I want to access it here. So there are a couple of ways to access it. First is by using import statement. Import. Now I want to import module 1, right? So module, there is a hierarchy of access it. So first we have to import my package 1. So my package 1 dot represents here directory, subdirectories, like, so it's represent. See, module 1 is in my package 1. So this statement says that module 1 is in present in my package 1. So we need to import my package name dot module name. Okay, if there is a sub package present, then you need to write sub package name as well. Okay, so now if we want to access variable from the module 1, we need to provide package name, then module name, and then variable name every time. So by using rename, import statement with rename, so this is the simplest way. Import my package 1 dot module 1 as m. So instead of this name, now every time I need to provide this name to access any variable function from the module, I need to provide this name, and this name is so long. Now I create alias or rename of this module name, and it becomes yum. Yum is very shorter, so onwards m dot timeout I can access through m. By using from and import statement, from my package 1 I can import module 1. Now import module 1. Here I am importing specific module from the package. Okay, import module 1. Now there are a couple of modules, module 1, module 2 or module n, but we cannot import all modules in package by using star. Suppose if I provide my package from my package 1, import star. Star means in regular expression, star means everything, it match everything, but for import modules from the package it will not work. That is not a correct way, or it will not work. Using from and statement. See, from and statement with rename. Now from my package 1, import module 1. Now suppose you want the module 1 name is lengthy and you want to rename, you want to create alias of that, then as yum1, comma module 2 as yum2, comma module 3 as yum3. Like this you can rename your module name, and further onwards you can use that alias name. If you want to use specific field, if you want to use specific fields from the module, by using from my package dot module 1 import timeout. Here only timeout, you can use timeout from the module, and here is there is no need to provide module name, package name. We have directly imported that specific field, so we can directly use it. You can use multiple specific fields by using comma separated. So here you can import timeout, add demo class, everything you can access it by using this statement. And star is import all. Star is import all from the module, not from the package. Star is import everything from the module 1, but we cannot use star to import all modules from the package. So see, from my package import star, this is not a correct way and it will not work. Now if in your module, if in your package there are sub packages as well, then how can we import? Then my package 1 dot, now you have to import sub package and then you have to import module, but in our sub package there is no module, so it will not appear. Okay, these are the couple ways to access it. Next is, what is library? A library is a collection of package. It is a collection of related packages and modules. Example, Python standard libraries, pandas, numpy, matplotlib, pygame, etc. So this is a structure of library. Structure of library and structure of package is very similar. See, this is my package name. Then in library, this is my library. In library, package 1, package 2, package 3, and there are a couple of packages. and these are the ways to access library. Same import statement, by using import statement, with rename from an import statement. Okay, we'll go through the demo. This is a library demo. So basically library is a directory. It is not a package now, it's a simple directory, and that directory contains couple of packages. Package 1, also package contains sub package, you know that, then package 2 and package 3 and n number of packages in library. So basically when we create a library, suppose we are working on the project and that project is very huge and we are create a library, separate library for the project, and for to access a library, that path should be in the executable path. That path should be provided in system file path, right? So without that we cannot access library. In this demo, library is available within the project, so it is directly accessible. So this is my main file and this is sub package, this is module 1. See, module 1 contains the same fields: variable, function definitions, class definition. This is my main file where I want to import everything or variable from the module. So there are ways to import. See, using import statement. Now import mylib dot is again represent the subdirectory, right? So this is my see, import mylib, this is mylib, then dot means next hierarchy, then my package 1, it goes here, my package 1, then dot module 1. Okay, and now every time I need to use this long name, library name, package name, module name, and then variable, is very lengthy and not useful. In that case we use import statement with rename, and we renamed everything, library name, package name, module name as m1, and then onwards we use m1.timeout. Okay, so using from an import statement we can import module as well, we can import couple of multiple modules as well, we can import multiple modules with the rename m1 module m1 as m1, module 2 as m2, like this. Then if you want to import specific fields from the module, then library name, package name, then module 1, and import specific fields. Timeout and fields are separated by comma. So here I have imported timeout and add. You observe that whenever we import specific fields, we need not to worry about the where is location actually. Now timeout referring to hot fields, so here is mentioned timeout referring to hot, so we imported timeout directly. So before timeout we do not to append module name, library, package, anything, right? Because we imported that variable directly, so we can use it directly. But in our examples we need to append something to access it, right? m1.timeout or module 1.timeout, something we need to append it. Now if you want to import all fields from the module 1, then you can use import star. Now here we are importing everything from the module 1. Okay, that's why star is working, and here we can access timeout, add functions and everything. But if we try to import a couple of modules or all modules from the package, and everything from the my library, it will not work. See, invalid case is using from import statement from my leave my package 1 import star, and now I am trying to access here module 1 dot timeout. It will not work. See, it will not work. It is not accessible. Let me comment this code. See, from my leave my package import star print module 1 dot timeout. Now module 1 is under the package 1, but still it is not accessible. Module 1 dot timeout. Okay. Advantages: avoid duplication of code. Why should we use package, module, and library? So these are the advantages of using module. Avoid duplication of code. We can avoid duplication of code by adding related code in a common file, that is module, and use it whenever required. Reuse the code. We can reuse this code by writing from the scratch again and again. Organize code in good manner. So by using module, package, library, we can organize the code in good manner. Save development time. We can save development time as we can write once and use many times. Easy to debug and easy to maintain. So these are the advantages. Quiz questions. I have a couple of quiz questions for you. So this is the first quiz question. So this is my main.py file, and this is module 1. So I have imported timeout from the module, and see, I have printed the timeout value here. In between I modified the timeout default timeout value. Then again I have imported my module many times and print the timeout value. So you gauge the output of main file. Okay, gauge the output of main file without running the program, and comment your answer, and you just comment q1 answer and comment your answer, right? This is the second question, same question, but now here I have imported my module by using from an import statement, and here I have imported timeout field. So I am same I am doing printing timeout value. In between I am modifying the timeout value, and after that I am importing a couple of times and printing the timeout value. You need to gauge the output and mention in the comment Q2 answer without running program. This is the third question. This question. So here we have imported module from the package, and yes, same, gauge the output and mention in the comment. This is the fourth question and last question. We have imported module from the library. Specific fields, we have import all fields from the library module which is present in the library, and modify timeout value, and again we are importing the same value and try to print it out. So yeah, gauge the output and comment your Q4 answer. Thank you for watching. Hope this session was very useful for you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. to know more about tips and tricks and answer of the quiz questions. Keep watching. Happy learning. Bye bye.